May I come in, sir?
Yeah, come in.
Very good evening, sir.
Oh, very good evening. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. May I take your
Yes,
CV?
sir. Here it is my CV.
Okay. So, firstly, tell me about yourself.
Firstly, thank you so much, sir, to having me this golden opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Pushpanjali. I'm 21 years old and I live in Delhi. I have completed my graduation from Delhi University in 2024 last year, and I have completed my 10 plus 12 in 2020 from CBSE board. If I'm talking about my experience, so I was started my job as a student customer executive in TVS two wheeler, and after took 3 months of experience in that company, I just changed my company from Honda two wheeler. But after 1 year I faced some issues with that company, so I had to drop my job on that time. But right now I've been working as a student counselor and also content creator in COC education last from 2 years. In my family, there are 8 members: my parents, my four sisters, and one little brother. If I'm talking about my hobbies, so I love listening music, dancing, and also singing. My short-term goal to join any reputed airline as a air hostage, and also my long-term goal to see myself as a skilled and experienced employee in your company with new achievements and also with new positions.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. So, I just want to ask you, why do you want to change your job?
Because, sir, when I was in my 12th, I sorry, pardon, sir.
Take it. Take. Okay. So, why do you want to change your job?
Because when I was in my 12th, I attended a seminar which is organized by Feng Fine, and they just want to show that that what are the aviation and who are the cabin crew and what is the life of air hostage. That time I'm very impressed that wow, what they have life. So on that time I just make the decision to become a cabin crew, but on that time I don't have any knowledge that we can also apply for walking interviews. I just thought that firstly you have to join any institute like Frankfurt, DHA, something. But so that's why I dropped my idea on that time. But when I was in my graduation last year, so I met a girl. Her name is Nikita, and she suggested me why you couldn't try to become a cabin crew. And I just replied that yeah, I want to become a cabin crew, but I'm not capable to pay that much fee. That's why I didn't apply any time. So she gave me the information about the walking interviews, and I just like, what, it is possible in cabin crew that we can apply walking interviews. So after that I just preparing myself to become a cabin crew.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, why do you want to join our airlines?
Because firstly, as I want to say, like I'm very passionate about aviation, and also when I was starting preparing myself, I found it many things about Indigo. Like I saw and heard Indigo is very fastest growing airline in our India and very largest airline in our India. And also I found it that Indigo is provided very good facilities for our passengers, like sexy services, like cargo services, and also very affordable price for our passenger. And also I saw and heard one more thing, like Indigo has a fleet of over 390 aircrafts and flies more than the 120 destination, including 80 domestic and 35 international flights. So here aviation will be become a very good career option for me.
Okay.
That's
You
why I
read about
joined.
everything, each and everything about
Yeah,
that.
yes, sir.
Okay. So, next question I just would like to ask you:
Yes, sir.
Do you work better in team or alone?
Sir, I can do according to both. If there is an opportunity to work with team, so I can do according to myself. And if there is a work like I have to done with myself, so I can do according to both.
Okay. Nice.
Yes, sir.
So, if you have any misunderstood, like customer, and you have some misunderstood,
Okay.
so how you handle this condition?
Sir, firstly, according to me, we have to listen that what the kind of problem face the customer, because after that I can make the decision that what type of services I will provide him. This is the way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. So, what is your hobby?
Sir, my hobbies, as I said, that like listening music,
And
singing,
who
and
is your
also
favorite singer?
Arijit Singh.
Arijit. Latest song of Arijit Singh?
I don't know because right now I just preparing myself to become a cabin crew, and I'm very busy, like my daily routine with my office work.
And what do you special do in your free time?
I just started listening music and match my vibe with myself, and after that I feel very confident.
Okay.
So this is my favorite work whenever I feel free.
And what does your father do?
Sir, I would like to say my father is multi-talented kind of person. He knows the work as a plumber and also electrician. Right now, he is working as a LIC advisor. He was working plumber and also electrician in last around 8 and 9 years ago. If there is any work which is based on electrician and plumber, so he can do. But right now, he is does work. He does only policies.
Okay. What do you think about your father work?
Father work, sir, I don't have any interest in policies.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is not my career.
And what is your favorite? Like, what is your strength?
Sir, my strength is like I am very self-motivated person. If there is any work which I am not ever capable to do, so I just take time and I made myself and I can do that work with new way. So yeah, this is my strength.
Okay. I just want to ask you. You love traveling.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where did you visit last time?
Sir, last time not that much far destination, but yeah, I visited last time in Punjab
Okay. With whom?
with my friends.
Okay. Why?
Sir, because they just decided and he just asked me and we are ready. So
It's just a normal.
a sudden plan.
All of sudden.
Yes,
plans,
sir.
okay. So if I just would like to, can you do extra work for the company that if we give you a chance to work with us, so can you do extra work for us?
Yes, sir, I can do because right now I'm working as a student counselor. So sometimes we have to work on Sundays. So yeah, I can do, and I also sometimes working in Sundays. So I also can do same for the aviation.
Okay. What motivates you about this job?
Okay, sir. Well, like my career, I want to become a successful career in my life. So I just think about my career and I motivated myself.
How you motivate yourself? Like if you want to join cabin crew, that what thing motivates you to become a cabin crew?
Okay, sir. The dress code of Indigo.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how it attracts you?
Like the blue color is very attracted me,
Okay.
and also the because that dress code present yourself, like who are you and what your exact nature. That's why.
Okay. If we don't hire you, what will you do?
Sir, I just make myself. I will just prepare myself again, and I want to, and I just check that where I did mistakes, and I will work on it, and again, I will apply for the interview.
Okay. And what do you think about the marriage life?
Sir, right now I have no plan about marriage.
So when will you do marry that?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay.
First is my successful career. After that,
Okay. So after 5 years, where do you see yourself?
sir, I always chose first Indigo for my career
No,
line.
I just asked.
Yeah,
you.
I know.
Hmm.
So as I say that I always choose Indigo for my career line, and I already said that I want to see myself as a skilled and experienced employee with new opportunities and with new achievements in your company.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you get a chance in other airlines, like
Okay.
you are working in Indigo and you get a proposal by other and the more salary, can you leave our job?
No, sir.
Why?
Because sir, I improved myself in that in same company, Indigo. I don't want to join because it's my first priority.
It's your friend.
As you say that, as you can see, like I have been working in COC education from last 2 years. So you can say my loyalty for the company.
Okay. So your good name is Pushpanjali.
Yes, sir.
So Pushpanjali, this is the mock test, and
Okay.
what I found that sometimes your confidence level is less. Okay, so you don't need to that think about that. You need to improve your confidence level, and sometime I feel that your accuracy, like speaking fluency, is also less. Okay. Maybe that you are tired, the reason is behind maybe that, but you have to try your best level to represent yourself,
Okay,
because
sir.
opportunities that where you are going, that as you know that big dream takes
Yes,
time.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, and become a cabin crew is also a very big dream. So, and this is the dream of many girls, they are also working for it.
Yes, sir.
So you can also work for it. Okay, best of luck, and we will do more mock test, and this is the first and second, and don't think about, just think about your best. Okay, and second thing is that they will just ask you one and two questions. I ask you many questions, but they just they take one and two question. We have a one and two question, first round you can clear, and second round you will enter.
Okay, sir.
And try your best. Okay, like sometime I feel that you are using also body language, you have to use little body language also, and don't put the hand on that. Okay. Okay, and overall everything is fine, that you can do much better. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.